So yesterday we was looking over the date object. Okay, that is not object, that is regarding the date. So how we can display date, time, then year, then second, time, means everything. Each you can tell the field which is related to the date. Okay, so how many so how we was getting that date? So yesterday we had looked over that how to get the date. So we was getting the date with the help of a date object, correct? So when we want to get date, we have to create the date object. So when we creating the date object, we getting the complete date, time, day, means hour, minute, millisecond, everything be getting in that object. So okay, here we was trying to pass the argument also, means if you want a specific date, time, everything you can pass. So total how many argument it containing? It taking one argument, two, three, four, five, six, and seven. So total seven argument it's taking. So whatever value we will pass, it will go and display there. Okay, if we passing only one value, will it take or not? Means total this much value b by passing, that's fine. But if b passed one by one value, it will take or not? So what are you thinking? We will get output. Yeah,
Yes, sir, it will take, sir.
it will take. Let's find. Let's see whether pass here 2019. Let's save and check whether be getting or not. Where it gone? Date value dot get time. Okay, anyway, we not got any error. Okay, but we had got some date and time, something like that, means 1970. Remove this, check what time now we will be getting the current system time. Fine. So let's say pass the complete this object, means this parameter. Otherwise uncomment this line itself. Okay, so here what we had done, we created the data object, and inside that we had passed all data, means all data in the sense year, mean month, date, and hour. See, this is your year, this is month, this is date, this is hour, minute, this one second or millisecond. What is that last? I think millisecond, that was second. That become JavaScript count month from 0 to 11. That's fine. That's not required. This one. 30 is this one, and 0 with the help of 0 be getting, I think, GMT or that one. Let's
Okay.
any idea what is this 0?
Yes, sir, millisecond.
Millisecond. Oh, okay. But here already be getting this 30. Then what is this one? Because you see this 10, 33, and 30. Three value be getting already. I think 0 is giving it means for this one. I don't know. This. Okay, no problem. So we can pass, that is optional, whether we can pass perfect, means a proper complete data or not, then also we will get the value. So here you can see that they are going to decrease the one by one argument, means in the bot you will get that we can decrease and we can get. So see that here they taken up to 30. Okay, 6 number. Okay, 1 second. 7 7, there is that, it's not written. So see, 6 number, what it's taking? It taking year, month, day, hour, minute, second. Yeah, that is millisecond. So here it become seconds. Okay. Okay, do one thing. Remove this. Pass to 2. Now it will give value. Then also not given. Okay. So up to second. Then if we want up to minute, you can take up to minute. So we will get all that, means data according that. I will not go each line because this is not required. Main thing, what is that? How to get that date. So we can get the date with the help of a date new date object. That is the main point.
Sir,
Yeah.
what need of argument over here? Because we need
If,
only current date.
yeah. Means if we want some specific, you can pass that, see that. Otherwise you will get the current. We want, means mostly we want current date, that's fine. But if we want some specific date, that time you can pass your specific date, time, everything. Then only we
Means
got that.
means like
In
duration
string,
start from and to like that mention there.
yeah, you can pass like that time. Otherwise it will give you local. Now you can't, means it giving you just current time. You can't get that before 10 years or like that. So that time you can pass your argument value. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So new date. Okay, then millisecond. I will not go each one. Okay, now if you have to get a date method, that's fine. Display date. Okay, so what is the value, means what is the type of the value? What is the type of a value? So let's see type of operator. This become object. Got it? Now how to convert? Oh, that's why they had asked this question. One interview had asked this question to me. What is the type of a date value? I told a string. Okay, so this is object. So how to convert this into a string? If, see what I telling, we got the date, fine. It's showing the current date local. What is the type of this value? So type become object. Okay. Now I have to convert this into a string, because when you will do some operation, maybe due to object you can't perform. So how to convert into a string? What is the method for converting a string? What we had learned still in array and those side.
Surpassing abatic symbol or another one method.
Arithmetic symbol
String, sir. To a string, sir.
to a string is the
Yeah,
method.
sir, that method, sir.
Then you're telling arithmetic symbol. Arithmetic symbol is not the method. Meta, are you sleeping? So we can do one more thing. I don't know whether with the help of that it will work or not. With the help of this, adding that one, this shortcut. Let's see. Oh, now check here. Type of. We have to. Oh, they are starting. They are writing that value. Pass inside. Oh, it converted into a string. That was shortcut actually. But if you not wanted to convert like this, then to a string method is there. Correct? Go with that. Console.log and which value? Date value dot to a string. Okay. Then this one. And I want the type of this one. So what become the type? Type of. Let's see. So this also become the string. See, only two values are there. Okay. One become object, one is a string, other is the commented one. So this way we can convert into a string, and after that, if you want, you can. Okay. So why we converting into a string form? What is the need? If we have to do any operation, then we can. That's why we converting into a string format. Got it? Next. So display date, that's fine. With the help of a to a string method, we can convert that. It's all are simple. Nothing is there complicated. Now we getting date format in which one? What is the format? Means in which standard we getting the value? GMT. Correct or not? Let's see. here IST, India Standard Time, means after converting that we got into Indian Standard Time. What is Universal Standard Time? Means UTC is the universal or not? I think UTC itself. So if you have to convert, see, different time zone is there. Okay. So now if you showing the clock, means many websites, it will show you different area time. Okay. Like suppose this is India. So it's showing India time zone. But in India also with the Kolkata reference, it's taking the reference in all every state like that it's going with. But then also it's India means it taking the all as one. That's fine. If you're going other country like Australia, America, US, Canada, the time zone will be different. So suppose in India you have to show their time, then how you will do? Means you have to make one watch on your website. You have to make one clock timer that it will show India time, US time, Australia time, Canada time, different zone time. Then how you will do? So you have to convert that. You have to find out that what time zones they are following and how much time is extra, 5 hours, 6 hours, like that you have to manipulate. So if we want to convert into other time zone, what we will do? We can convert with the help of a different methods are there. Okay, so if I want to convert into UTC, okay, so go with UTC. Let's say type of be writing. Okay, let's comment this line also, and yeah, date value. This will give you which location? What is this time zone? IST,
IST.
Indian Standard Time. Now go with UTC. What is the full form of UTC? Any idea?
Universal time coordinates.
Something like that itself, I think. Date value time dot we will pass the method that UTC. Let's see whether this what are the methods they have. The dot. So see that we getting one method to get time, get ISO string, get full year, get UTC string, get full year, sorry, set full year, get date, hour, millisecond, month, second, UTC day, UTC full year. See, these all different methods are available, so we can operate that. Okay, it will not give you like a different time zone. You have to follow that how much hour that is in means extra. You have to go with that type. Okay, so I want to convert it into which one? UTC. Let's see UTC. Okay, fine. Now come to the browser. Oh, sorry, I not passed. What is the error? Tell me. Why we not got the output? We got something like this. Why?
Sir, we not pass method, sir.
Yeah,
But process.
parenthesis is missing. That's why we got the complete function itself. Now see, what is the UTC time zone? UTC Friday is there, 1st April 2022. That's fine. But what about the time? Time become 2 o'clock and 2 minutes and 52 seconds. But here 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock 32 means how much extra? It's become 5:30 hours extra. See, UTC means that is, I think, Greenwich Mean Time, Greenwich Median Time, whatever is there, na full form, that one, GMT. But see this IST, Indian Standard Time, what it's showing, plus 5:30 means it increased 5 hours and 30 minutes. Got it? So this is your base time, and with this base time, you are getting all that time zone. Whatever country time zone we want, we can manipulate with the help of this, and we can get that. Do one thing. If I doing plus 1 here, what will be happen? Let's see. Will happen anything? No. That's just they added in the last. It concatenated type. Yeah. Okay, so what you can do today assignment, you can do one thing. You can calculate approx 4-5 country time zone. Means you can display that time. Like see, print country time now. So India Standard Time 7:34. Fine. Go with world clock. Who is on unmute? Please mute. So see that it's showing Nalanda, New York, London, Tokyo. You have to go with this. New York, okay, London and Tokyo. This time you have to display, and you have to display your native location. Okay, so New York. See what is the time now? In Nalanda, it's showing Friday and 7:35. Okay, but in New York, it's showing Thursday 22:05. Means how much difference is there? See this. Today is Friday. Friday, yeah, Friday. But in New York, this is Thursday. Okay, in London, today is Friday. Tokyo, today is Friday. What is the difference between this? Means this become 22. What time is this? Is actually exactly? This is a day, night, what?
So it is night 10 p.m. 10 p.m.
Yeah, means you can tell that from our end, this is yesterday night, correct? Because this is Thursday, so yesterday was Thursday, and then time was 22, means that is night. So it's yesterday night, means in New York they not got it today Friday, means after some hour it will converted into Friday. Okay. So you have to display some time zone. So you can write down the country name and you can. So you have to take reference that how much time extra is there. So see this. Otherwise you can calculate from here itself. You getting the idea. How much means this time New York time is extra, means it going ahead or before. What is this one? And if before, then how much? Compared to our time zone is Friday 7 o'clock. Okay, but we getting times Thursday 22. So this is ahead going or going back. So it's become back. How much hour it's back? You can calculate from 7 means now it's 7 o'clock. You can go yesterday night means 12 o'clock. That becomes 7 hour extra, and then you can go up to 22. Means I think 9 hours approx. Means we are 9 hours ahead. Okay. Then London. This is 7 o'clock. This is become morning time. Means you can tell mid morning or whatever we are telling. That one means 3 o'clock. Means we are 4 hour extra than London time also. Because now this is 7 o'clock. That is 3 o'clock. Okay. Tokyo. What is this one? 11 o'clock. What is going on there? Is this before or after with our location?
After.
After, because now time for our location is 7 o'clock, but their location is 11 o'clock, and that is Friday. And how we calculating that whether this is after or before? With the help of a day, because this is Friday, okay, and this is Friday, but here this is Thursday and this is Friday. So with the help of that we can compare easily whether this is previous or after, like that. So you have to do this one, means you have to just display the time. No need in the means UI, you can display in the console itself, but you have to play on with that time. Okay, now go to something. So different method is there. If you want to convert it, that's fine. We converted into which one? UTC standard. If you want to convert into a string, then something method to data string. Let's see what this method will do. To data string. Let's see what is the output. What happened in this case? To data string. What you getting output? To date. What happened? It given just date and day. Correct or not? It given a day, that is Friday, and a date, that is April 1, 2022. But it not given the time. Okay. So with the help of this, we got just date. Okay, so different this you can check that. I will not go much more this one. Then sort date. If you want only date, means just a date in different format, you can go with short date, ISO, long date. It will give this way. That's fine. Code is already in the bottom. Okay, you can get that ISO date. If you want year, month, everything, you can pass like this way. Okay, only year, then you can pass 2015 like that. If you will pass just 10 or means like 19 or 20 like that, otherwise now 2022 is going. So if you passing 2022, then what it will consider? If we will pass 2022, if we will pass 22, what it will consider? Will it give value or not? Hello. We pass 2022. Let's say what happened? We got Saturday 1st January. Is this one? Yeah, it given that value. But if we will pass just 20, let's see, it not given the value. Okay. Okay. So we have to pass into a string and we have to pass our particular date, means particular year format. Then it will give the particular value. Okay. So you can do this. This is just like time pass. Okay, this topic. Then time zone. Yeah, if we want different format, you can do that. Just let it to be wait. Date dot parse method. Yeah, now this one. If you want just year, means suppose you have to display Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, anything like that. You can go with just I want a year, I want a month, I want a day, like that. You can go with a different method now. That dot get time, dot get year, dot get full year. If you will do this thing, then you will get the complete year itself. Now see, I done the new date, I created that one, that's fine. And after the creation, where is the value? 1 second, let me comment this line. Remove this also. Yeah, and pass here. Dot. And save. And let's see what we getting in the output. So what happened? We got the just 20. 1 second. We had passed that also 2022, but I not want to pass. What we getting? We got a 2022. Okay. Now write another method. If we want what we had written here, get year. I want get month. Get month. Let's see what we got. We got 3. Why we got 3? Tell me, anyone. See, now we are getting each element, year, month, date, everything. But now we got 3. What is the reason?
So because it starts from 0 now.
Yeah, correct. So it start from 0 and that giving month April. Okay, means now April month is going on, but January it's not counting from the 1, it counting from the 0. That's why last month will be which one? 12 or 11? Last will be 11 only because it counting from that. Okay, so let's get time. I want just a time. See, maybe you thinking that this is just a time pass, but we have to know that because this is important too much. Okay, this is giving you the time in the millisecond. I think it's given. Okay, that's fine. Let's now go with a day. If there is some requirement to display the get day, Sunday, Monday, and that type, then let's see what it giving. It given 5. Today is 5th day. 5th day in the sense Friday. So from which day it counting? It counting from I think Sunday or Monday. Okay, so this type we can get each element. Okay, See, when you will get useful of this one. Suppose you had any scheduled plan that Sunday you have, means suppose there are scheduled online test. Okay, that Sunday only this time your link will get enable. Your test link will get enable. That time you will do this type of operation. You will manipulate inside if condition. You will get the value. You will get the time, and you will manipulate that. Okay, that is the things. Get month. Okay. So this complete date method, it will help you that time, that exact time. Okay. Now go with that time, minute and that one. Okay. So get hour. What is the hour? Hour is, sorry. Oh, in all it's going like that. Hour is 7. Now get minute. How to get time minute. Get minute. Let's save. What is the minute? 7:45. 7:46. It's not changing because minute, 1 minute will complete, then only we want second. See, this is very useful when you will work with that time. Okay. Now see, 22, that is second. If I will save again, it will change. 27, 28, 29, 20, 30. Each second it will change the value because the time is going on. Let's do one thing. No, on minute you can. Yeah. So I will write one alert. Okay. And what is the use of alert? I had never used this one. We were always using console, inner HTML. So what I want that when the time become get hour, no, yeah, minute. I going to match the time. When that time this become, what is the time now? 47. On 48, let's say first, it have to show alert. I don't know whether it will show or not. Let's see. Just you have to wait for 1 minute. What is time now? 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. I think I have to refresh the browser or it will show automatic. Let's see. 54, 55, 56. No, it's not shown because I have to refresh the browser. For now it's means now see the demerit. Browser have to refresh. Okay, so you have to write the code that how it will refresh the browser. But what happened when the time become 48? Okay, means 48 second minute because we had taken this minute. Okay, so when the time become 48 equal date minute equal to 48, this browser have to, this alert have to pop up. Okay, if now you will refresh this, you will get that because time is 48 now. But if this become 49, what is the time? 42 seconds it's going on. Yeah, just see. After 49, it will not work because that time is giving 49. Now see the time become 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Yeah. Now see the minute become 49. Okay. Now this will not work. This pop up. Got it? Wait. How to refresh the browser? I writing the code. Just 1 second. Give me. Already code is there. Where is Set test paper resume upload. I think in test paper. This. Okay. Set timeout. 1 second. Copy this completely. Let me copy HTML also for this line. I frame timer. Timer was on HTML itself, I think. Not HTML. So this one. Online test start. No. Image. Toggle. Service. Yeah. This line. This function will get execute online test dot inner HTML start test. That's fine. Here timer will display. Let's see. Yeah. See that watch is moving. Okay. So this type the timer will work. What we have written the code that you will get later. You can't get because the set timeout method you have to use. Means you have to use set timeout method. So automatic on each second means 1000, that is millisecond. Set timeout is taking millisecond value. So each 1 millisecond, each triggering the browser and it refreshing that because the browser is static, it will not auto reload. So you have to trigger internally. So that's why. Now see, suppose button, where is the button? Let's see. Copy this line. Let's see. So please wait. Okay. What is this? Dharmender, what are you sharing? Now, yeah. What is the time now? Time 7:52. I will set time. Yeah, 7 and 53. That become 54. Let it to be. You have to wait for 1 minute. Because it is 16, 17. Three. Yeah. Now see, the text is coming, please wait. Okay. As I had set the time 7:54. As it become time becomes 7:54. This time is coming from the your local itself. Okay. And it become 54 automatic, that text color will change and you will get the button. Don't sleep, you have to see. Now see the button can, if I will click, it will reload there, means it will start the test paper, but the path is not correct. That's why it's not moving, because I written the code from somewhere now. That is the thing. Okay, so this way you have to manipulate, you have to work with that timer. Got it? This actually I had used in the online test website. That is the thing. Now remove this code. Okay, let it to be otherwise. If you want, you can look over the code. Okay. Then JS, yeah, JS is there. That's fine. Then a style is there. Okay, fine. Okay, so I will keep the code here and you can manipulate. But 1 second. I will vary that href equal to has, that's fine, online test, please wait, then any link is there? No, link is not there, that's fine. Okay, got it? That how we will manipulate with the which one? Timer, date and time, those method. So this type we have to. Because you have to refresh the browser. See, that is the problem. When you will write the code, you will get that idea that what is the happening. Because when we was written previously, this code, wait, when we had written in the console part itself, what was going on? Browser was not refreshing automatic. See that the time which whatever is there, it's a reloading, refreshing each time. See that 9, 10, 11, that have to refresh, but it's not refreshing. Because due to the browser issue, okay, that have to reload this 19, this is minute, this is minute, this minute going, second going on, okay, this have to reload, but it's not. So you have to think the logic that why it not reloading automatic. So you have to refresh the browser automatic, but for refreshing the browser there is one tag in the meta tag also we can use, but that will be reload your browser, that become the problem. Okay, you have to refresh the which one? Content, only content. Had you seen the that one cricket biz, that website which means all website who displaying the score each second, what it doing? It refreshing the browser content, not the complete browser. In both there is different matter. Okay, see now it's refreshing your content, not the browser. Browser refresh means reload the page, this will be refresh your browser. Content means that's just content. So you have to think when you will got the issue, that time you will think this all issue. So these all are different method. You can go each methods. Okay, you can practice this one. That's fine. Let's see, something is written there code. Let's see this. Just wait. Now you can get idea what is this one. Wait. Is there any issue in this one? No. No. Let's comment this one and comment. What happened? Why we not got any output? Because what is written there? Someday greater than today. Okay, we had written something. Today is after January. Okay, is there any issue? 2.js, that's fine. Is there any error? Someday dot full year. And let me open the code.
Sir,
Hmm.
so
Yeah.
in date complete but now like times again all the thing.
What?
In the second case, Sir, in today, sir, all thing na like time, date,
Okay,
and
okay, yeah. We are
yeah, I
setting
in
that.
this. Yes, sir.
That is like a conversion type. It have to happen. Okay, 1 second. It will be there. Object. 1 second. Oh, this is object. This is date object actually. Date object. To a string. I think this is last. Yeah, this one. It is missing there. So today is this one. What is the issue actually? Document or to get. Oh, wait. We had not written any output displaying purpose console or inner HTML. That's why. So we had written in inner HTML. Okay, let's see. So we will get the output. So today is before Jan 1421. Okay, so you can check the condition. Conditionally, you can manipulate the same thing. You can see that button enable, disable on the time. Okay, each thing you can do with the help of timer. So you can just one time go through that. No need to keep in mind. Yeah, what thing you have to keep in mind regarding the date, how you will get the date. Okay. Second, if you have to get month, year, this thing, how you will get, these are the important. Okay. Second, what data type means when we getting the first time a date, what it giving, what is the type of, what is the type of date. First
Object,
question,
sir. Object, sir.
how to get date. First question, with the help of which one? Please speak, then only it will clear. With the help of a new date. Correct. Second question, what is second? How to get month, comma, day, comma, date, comma, hour, comma, minute, comma, second, like this. So there are already inbuilt method dot get month, dot get year, dot get second, like that. What is the next type of date object? What is, sorry, type of date method? What is the type? Type is object. What is next? How to convert? How to convert date? Don't write this date. See that in date method, D is capital. Okay. How to convert date method into a string? How to convert? With the help of to a string. See, this is looking very simple, but it's making complicated during exams. Okay. These questions they will ask. They will not ask too much that how you will convert this, that. No, they will ask this itself. But that time you will forget because now you're thinking it's very simple. That's why. How to convert a date? Anything more in this one? Get date month, hour, minute. Okay. Type of a date method. That's fine. How to convert a date into a string with the help of that one? Yeah. So how to convert into different time zone, UTC? How to convert time into UTC? How to convert? With the help of which method? UTC. Something method was there, na? UTC to a string, I think. What was that? Here we had written. With the help of a to UTC string. And same thing, if you have to do, means suppose This becomes 6. How to convert it into, what was the another one? Another time zone, IST, na? How to?
ITC.
Yeah, ITC, correct. How to convert time? You can tell this one, not a time zone. Okay. How to convert time zone means how to convert one time zone to, see, for each time zone there is no method. Okay, method is just for the base one. Base one means UTC, that considering GMT. And if you have to convert into any other, you have to calculate how much hour that is extra, hour, minute, anything, and you have to manipulate that type. Method is just for only two, UTC and I think IST. That's IST also not method. Let's see. Let's remove this. Let's see here itself. Dot IST is there. No, ISO is there. Okay.
ISO.
Yeah. So ISO something is there. So with the help of that, what it will give? Return a date as a string value in ISO format. Indian. What is the full form of this?
International Organization.
Oh, and where is the S? Okay, let it remain.
Standard.
I think maybe. So how to convert one time zone to another? So we have to manipulate with the help of UTC and plus or minus. We have to do that one. Okay. Anything more in this one? I not thinking. So this much question is important for date object. So please try to clear this one. In interview, I know very rare they will ask question from this one, but if they asking, then it will be like sort itself. Okay. Then which one? Yeah, come to the this point. See, these all topic now, it's not time taking. Okay, if you will go slowly it will complete, because they are means already we had covered a lot in these things. Okay, let's see math object. What are the things we can do with the help of math operator? Means math object is there. Okay, suppose you have to return say Euler's number. What is this one? In I think in 9th standard we were just studying this one, 9th or 10th. Yeah.
Method.
So if you have to convert, some method is there with the help of dot e. If you have to return pi value, you can go with maths.pi, a square root, then a square root of 1/2 means a power of 1/2 that you can. So there are different methods. I will not go each method. I will just see one or two. That's it. So math dot method and number. Okay. So math dot random. So what it will do? Let's see. Do one thing. Try it yourself. So now it's giving 5. Reload again.
Sir, it's rounded, sir.
Oh, it's a rounded value. I thinking random number. That's why trying. Okay. So with the help of math dot round, what it will give? It will give you if value is greater than 5 already in math. You know that if decimal value after decimal value, it will be more than 5. It will give the next number. Correct. If it is below of 5, it will give you less value. Means below value. Let's copy this itself. We will check. Okay, we can do that completely also because the demo ID is there present. So math method, correct. Let's just say first. Dot 3 underscore math dot js. Demo is there. Yeah, demo is there. Fine. Let's Okay, so what we had written? Yeah, so be written math dot round. Okay, suppose take that 6, take 4. What will be the value? Value will be 4, because if this after decimal value will be more than 5, it will considered as a below value. If this is sorry more than 5 means upper value, less than 5 then it will consider the lower value, previous value. So suppose this we have taken 4, it's considering less value, previous value itself. But now we will take 6 or 7. Okay, it will consider the upper value become the 5. If you know math means already you know this thing. Anyone who don't know? Civil engineer, you know or not? She can't tell because she is from the civil. Civil means complete math itself. Okay, so next is math dot floor. See, these things is not required, that complete example I will go. Okay, then math dot floor, you can check that what it will give. It will give you round down to its nearest integer. Okay, let's see one example. That's it. Now see that what is happening. 4.9. If I will give 4.4, what is the output? 4 itself. 4.2, it will give 4 itself. Then what is the benefit? What it's doing actually? Floor. It's return the value of x rounded down to its nearest integer. Okay, so it going to the rounded down. Down means previous itself. Okay, it will not depend on like previously we had taken a round, means like upper or lower. It's not like that. It will taken direct below itself. Go with the -1. Let's see what it will do. What are you thinking? What will be the output in the case of minus? 5 or 4?
-4.
What is the low value of this one?
5, sir.
5. Because comparing to 4, 5 is less. Because that going in the reverse process. Correct. Next, truncate. What it will do? It will give you the integer part. Okay. See, when you will do some math operation, actually, that time you will get this one. Then math dot sign -4 or this that, it will convert. If x is negative, null or positive, it will give you. Okay, let's see that. Math dot sign. Let's comment. Within 15 minutes, I will complete this topic. I don't know how I will, but okay. Math dot sign. What it given? It given -1. Let's remove this minus and give plus. Let's see. It given plus. Now give a 0. It's a 0. Means -50. What it giving? It giving minus. Sorry. Yeah. -50 means -1. Fine. Let's wait. Do this one plus. What happened? What you got? Means when it is negative sign, it giving you -1 for the showing purpose. Otherwise you can't get that what is the value. That's why it's showing minus. Means it giving you the sign. So whenever there is requirement for getting the sign from somewhere, you can go with this one dot sign. It will give you the sign of that number. If -1, so what is the possibility value for the sign? 3 value. One is -1, 0 or 1. That's it. 1 means plus. Then POW. What means this one? Power of. If you have to find power of, suppose what is the value of this power of? Tell me in the math who is. Oh, sorry. Yeah. What will the value? Power of. Nobody know. 8 power 2. What will be output? 64. It become Samir mute. It become 64 because we are finding power of. Okay. As like you can do how to get power of means in different way, just normal means we want
2 times
64.
multiply, sir.
Yeah, so 2 times we can do, we will get the same value, but we not want that one, we want this one. So I not want this also, let it to be. Now see, take the value, let user data
Using for
equal
loop,
to,
sir, also, sir.
yeah, that also we can. Okay, I will take the value from the user. Okay, and I will, why it giving error? Oh, that actually I had done. Wait. Okay. Okay, so here we will take the input from the user prompt. Enter value. That's it. Let's see. What are you thinking? We will get output or not? What is the error?
Sir,
Error we
user
had.
data we have to write now.
Yeah. We had not passed the user data. Now we will get output or not? I think now not. Now also we will not.
Sir, first we have to write this, before math.power.
Yeah, correct. This we have to write starting because it's this variable. It's searching the value, but it not getting that. That's why. First declared and initialize, then use the value. Okay, so pass 3. Let's see what happened. 8 power 3, that become 512. Now 50. This become means this become too much big digit. That's why we got like that. So we can take the input from the user this way and we can pass that value. Got some idea or not? Okay, let it to be, that's fine. Then second method is for the square root. We can get that. Then ABS, what it will do? ABS absolute. Okay, positive value means it will give you the absolute value. Then sine, then math dot sine x. What is meaning of this one? Sine theta, I think. Sine theta and those side. Then here cos, you can pass the value. Then mean and max. If you have to get mean and max from any number, means a list of the value. Same thing we was doing in the case of array. We had done that time, but we had told that we will look over in the math dot max in the math operator. So let's see. So now what is there? We had taken some digit, some numbers are there, and we have to calculate here mean or max. Let's see what should be the output. What should be the output? What it will give? I think I can't complete within 10 minutes. Nobody is speaking. So my mean value become minus 200 because this is the smallest value. Correct. Same thing if you have to calculate using array, how you will do? Not with the help of mean or max. How we by doing? We by doing that in the array method or a string method. That time also we had seen, we had done that. How we by doing?
Min
No
math.
idea.
Min math.
No. Min max is the math operator. Suppose, just tell me if you have to place this thing in the ascending order or descending order, how you will do? Ascending or descending? No idea.
Forget, sir.
Sort method.
Sort method.
Sort method.
Sort will give you. That's fine. But it will
It's
not.
automatically given, no, sir.
It will give you vertically. Means sorry, alphabetical order type.
Yeah.
Means suppose here 0, 1, 2, 3. It will not consider 0, 1, 50, 30 like that. It will give 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. It will consider. So you will not get proper answer. Compare method was there or not? We was doing that or not? A comma B.
Return A minus B.
We were doing this or not? Now tell me.
Yeah, sir.
Same thing we were doing there.
Yeah.
And we was calling just which one? Function name, not function. Okay. And here we was passing the argument, means whatever value was there, we was passing. I think this one will be maybe first or last. This we have to take care. That is the thing. Just but this was the main. So what was the method name? That was a compare function. With the help of compare function, we were doing the same thing. Please turn your paper and pen and revise. Otherwise, JavaScript will complete because it's going on their track. That's not an issue. But same thing we can do with the help of math.mean. This is inbuilt method. So see, always try to avoid the inbuilt method. When you're writing any program or anything, try to avoid that. Because this is mean method that's inbuilt. You're not going to look over inside that what is going on, what it will happen. No idea. But yeah. So directly you are working inside. If you want to look over the method regarding this one, press Control, put cursor, click that. You will get that. This complete file. Okay. This is coming from the library, whatever library is there. From there, and it's showing that what means proper documentation, what it will do. Got it? How much line of code this one? See.
5,000, I think.
See that 4,494 line of code. Okay. See that time to local string, then means to local time string, everything is there. So with the help of a date method, whatever it's doing. Okay. So try to means if it is possible, try to use without any inbuilt method. That really fine. Then math.log2, if you have to find log operation, you can go with that. So different method is there, you can. Now I think you got some idea how to use math operator or
Sir,
not.
in last
Which one?
one, sir. Last.
Which one?
One
Truncate.
condition. Yeah, sir. That is important, sir.
Okay. Let's see. Truncate was there itself. What it will do actually? It will truncate the value. Let's see. Math dot. See all method. When you will press a dot, it will get, you will get all the method. Okay. Truncate and pass the value. 8.76. Like that. 0.76. What should be the output? Let's save. Let's save. And let's see the browser. Sorry. Yeah. So what we got? We got 8. It truncate the value. Now pass 9. Let's save. It given the upper value, means the first value. Second value, it means not giving after the decimal one. It truncated. Got it?
Sir, in other language, we passing a type, then it value giving that type. But in this case, sir, we passing let and pass any value for division purpose. It is point also comes, sir. How can we remove that? That is the problem, sir.
Which one?
Sir, when we dividing in other
Yeah.
language, sir, in Java
Yeah.
we dividing. When you initialize in type, it's giving in type.
Yeah,
When
correct.
you want point type, you putting float, sir. But in
Yeah.
this in JavaScript, we only giving sir whatever value came.
Yeah. That's because in JavaScript there is no int float double type.
That is the
Correct?
problem, sir.
Yeah. No, but if you got that like that, you can go with that truncate.
Yeah,
But
that's why I'm saying, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, with the help of tilde assign, we can also find integer part.
Yield and assign.
सर 2 बार टिल्ड ऑपरेटर ना लगा देने उसके पहले.
Okay. Tilde this one. Oh, sorry. This one.
Yes sir. Yes sir. And then in bracket that
Yeah.
operation, division operation.
Okay, let's see. So 9 divided by 2. How much it will give? It giving. Oh, we use it truncate method. Remove this. No need. We got 4.5 tilt. Let's see. It's not given.
ब्रैकेट
This
के
type.
बाहर लगाना, ब्रैकेट के बाहर.
Okay. Got it. Yeah. By this also you can get. Otherwise, a 2 fix is there. With the help of 2 fix also we can do. With the help of.
No, so I'm trying to fix her. It's not giving.
Oh. Okay. Let's see. Dot 2 fix is coming. Yeah. How much we want?
0.
We want
2.
0. Let's see this the given.
But I'm trying, sir, not giving, sir, in this that case, sir, because here coming so many, sir, decimal points. I'm putting 0, but some digit are come. That's why I'm using truncate.
Okay. You can do that also. See, all methods are available. You can use all method. If not, then apply all method. Somewhere it will get value.
In
Somewhere
our
it will get.
Armstrong case, sir, it's doing some problem because when we returning last digit,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Got it. Okay. So be covered. Which one? Math object and date object. What is this? Random object. With the help of random object, we will get the random number. This is also math operation itself. Why kept it in separate file? Okay. Then boolean, that different data type. Okay. Let me stop recording.